So carpal tunnel is something that we see very commonly in the clinic here. Most times it's going to be numbness, tingling, and pain in the hand, mainly in thumb, index, and middle fingers. It's very common to have those symptoms at night. People wake up in the middle of the night with those type of symptoms. Carpal tunnel can also present a little bit differently. It's kind of a catch-all, can do a number of things in the hand and upper extremity. You can have pain that goes all the way up the arm. You can have cramping in the hand. Sometimes that is related to carpal tunnel. So any type of those symptoms, we definitely want to see you. It's a very common issue that we see and is very treatable. So if you're having pain, numbness, tingling in the hand, going to sleep when you're driving or at night, definitely come in and see us so we can try and alleviate some of those symptoms. Like I said, there's a lot of treatments for it, from conservative stuff, non-operative measures. The surgery is very beneficial as well. The recovery is not too long. People actually recover from that very good, and the symptoms are gone almost immediately. So very common thing that we see and treat here. So any type of those symptoms, definitely come in and see us.